All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Nathan, tell them what's going on today.
We're just gonna go to Durhamtown and we're gonna go.
Heck yeah. Yeah, we haven't been there in a while. Plus, Nathan has a race coming up next month in October over at Durhamtown. So we brought the RM85 because he wants to race the RM85 on the Pee Wee track because he never won a trophy over there, but he's gonna fight to get one this time. And we brought the YZ125 and the KX450. Let me just show you guys real quick. We're over here at the Shell station and we got the trailer loaded up with 3 bikes today. Everything, all the bikes are tuned up, chains tightened, lubed up. I actually turned my, did you turn the fuel off? It smells like gas in here. I would just turn the fuel off on your bike at least, and the RM85 in case they dump over.
This is what I forgot, the gas can. The other 2-stroke gas can.
No, you don't need that. We got 4 gallons. And I got...
No, that's not enough for 2 bikes.
No, that's plenty, trust me.
This is like 5 gallons, Dad. This is a 5-gallon thing.
I'm gonna turn your fuel off. That way...
So I just put 2 in there and the rest of it.
I'm gonna turn the fuel off on this. You always turn your fuel off, guys.
Oh,
that way if they tip over or something happens, you don't lose all your fuel. We even got, I brought the broom.
To the tippity top of that, that's 5 gallons, not 4 gallons. The whole thing is 5 gallons.
How did that fill all the way up? Oh, it shrunk because it got cold.
Oh,
when it gets hot, it expands.
Hot, it expands.
And then when it gets cold,
it shrinks.
All right, there it is. All you gotta do is shut that thing hard and close it. There you go.
Guys, let's go to the track.
Let's do it.
It's gonna be fun.
We got snacks.
Show 'em what you got.
We got snacks at Kroger this time, guys. It was cheaper. This is like, we got grapes, pepperonis, sandwiches, and chips.
Show 'em what you got for you. But
look.
it's for you, but
So we're gonna share this cotton candy bang. It has creatine in it, so it's good for manly men. We got the cooler packed out with waters, and I think there is Mountain Dews. You have Mountain Dews in there, or what do you have in there?
Mountain Dews and 4 crushes.
Okay.
2 Mountain Dews and 4 crushes.
All right.
And then 14 waters.
All right, guys, we're ready to hit the road.
Exit the warrior, today's done, so he gets high on you. Trade, he gets right on to the
Friction of spin around to a beautiful oblivion. Rendezvousing up through with you. There's Nathan, guys. Just watching YouTube. We're on our way to Durhamtown once again. It's a sunny, beautiful day on I-20 East. Basically, Nathan, I suggested that we go to Scrubbin' Dirt today. We love Scrubbin' Dirt. And, you know, they open at 11 o'clock. So, you know for a fact that at Scrubbin' Dirt, their tracks are always prepped and groomed and ready to ride first thing in the morning. We're taking a little bit of a risk going to Durhamtown because a lot of the times you go to Durham, unless it's on race day, the tracks, they're really not prepped. And you know how dusty it is if it hasn't rained in a long time. So hopefully it's not too dusty today. But we're gonna find out, aren't we, Nathan?
Yep.
We went to Highland Park last week.
It was
it was
freaking dusty.
Literally, if there was somebody like in front of you at all, you could not even see the landing.
Probably like 10 feet in front of you.
10 feet maybe.
Yeah, and when I hit the triple,
yeah,
the 40-foot triple, I was scared because I thought there would be someone in front of me because there were big dust piles. I was like, where am I gonna land? You didn't even
What
know.
about the trails? Those trails are like up in the mountains, and like I was following behind Addison, Nathan, and Bryson.
And we just got split up. And Bryson.
And no, I mean, you could not even see the road. It was so dusty.
Yeah. And
it was it's dangerous. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, Addison burned his clutch up. I found that out yesterday. There it is, guys. The KLX 140G is out of commission. There's a clutch pack right there. It's all messed up. I was gonna show you guys something real quick. It's like heat cracks all over it. That thing was under some stress right there, guys. That's the main one that burned out right there, guys. Look at this last one. See the heat stress cracks on that plate? That clutch right there, that plate right there is like completely recessed. It's so worn out. And you can take all these things off. first. That one's not as bad. And then like, you can keep taking them off, but they're just, you know, they're worn out, guys. So definitely the clutch. There you go. Clutch pack, bad. Addison's KLX 140G, and just waiting for the clutch. New clutch, changing the oil while we're in there. New filter. Got to get a new gasket too. Look at the cover. See the gasket kind of broke off, so got to get it done. I'll probably put a new spark plug in while I'm at it, and I was thinking about upgrading his suspension, going in and getting maybe a like an FMF to go on his exhaust, but I don't know for sure. And there's the four-wheeler. Oh yeah, they stripped out all those nuts right there. All the axle, I guess, plate nuts. Basically the axle hooks onto that sprocket, and all three of those bolts were like sheared off into the mount, and I had to extract all three of those bolts. The easy out. I had to drill them all out, and then extracting that took like 3 hours. No, not 3 hours, like 2 hours. Just a little update. Hi, Liv. See, we were working on the KLX, weren't we? Say hi. Nathan was riding the KLX yesterday, just getting everything loaded up on the trailer, and he got the KLX out and rode it around. And tell him what happened.
I don't know. I was just normally riding it like I usually do, holding the clutch and shift it up and let it out again. But it was just like, I could press it, like pin it in second gear, and then it would just like not go out. It would just barely go, so definitely the clutch is burned up. I pinned it like this and let off, and it would go a little bit. Yeah, so in first gear it kind of catches. Second gear you gotta, like, you know, let the clutch out and kind of just barely hold the gas, and it finally starts spinning. But yeah, the clutches are burned out, which gave Addison an excuse not to come today. I told him I was gonna rent him like a 250 today, but he decided to stay home. So it's just Nathan, myself, on the lonely road, I-20 to Durhamtown. You always say a 250. Addison does not need a 250.
Yeah, he does.
He needs a 150.
No, he needs a 250.
Okay.
That kid's huge. He's like 170 pounds.
Okay, he
needs power is what he needs.
Okay.
That KLX has no power with him on it.
He doesn't need a 250. He would freaking wreck his butt off.
Well, go ahead and get the power. That way you can get over jumps. What do you guys think? I was thinking about getting myself a new bike, Nathan a new bike, and Addison a new bike, and I was thinking about getting myself a CRF. I'm going to keep the KX 450, get the upgraded springs, maybe take it to A1, Andy over there A1, get him to completely redo my suspension for my weight. Also, I was thinking about getting a CRF 450, you know, have that electric start, and also getting Nathan a CRF 250 and Addison a CRF 250. Are you kidding me? What do you guys think?
Well, guess what? I'm not getting a new bike for like 2 more years. We just got a new bike.
Okay. What's wrong with having another bike?
I can have another bike.
I like having a bike collection. I don't have a problem with that. That would be cool to have, like, each of us have a bike and an extra bike.
Yeah. Just in case. That's fun.
So what do you guys think about that idea? But also, I think Addison really loves quads. So for Christmas, don't tell him, but for Christmas, what do you think about me getting Addison like a Raptor 250?
Yeah.
Ooh. Or a Honda.
Yeah, he likes riding the 4-wheel in the backyard.
A TRX, guys. TRX 250. Dude, he would tear that thing up.
TRX 400.
400?
I think they have those.
Or maybe I could get both of you one.
I don't want one.
You don't want one?
I like 4-wheelers, but they're just dangerous.
Yeah, they're dangerous. Dirt bikes is where it's at. I mean, you're going to wreck and everything, but at least it's only... it's not even half the weight of a 4-wheeler.
Yeah,
just imagine, okay, if you wreck on a dirt bike,
it's
okay,
like 100
the dirt bike weighs 240 pounds on a 450. If you wreck on a 4-wheeler and it flips over on you,
you're dead.
I mean, it's gonna roll over. Oh, it's gonna hurt bad. It weighs like
500, 600 pounds.
700-800 pounds. Yeah. Some of them, the big ones, weigh like 800 pounds. The side by sides are huge.
Oh my god!
But I mean, they have roll cages.
Mom's calling, guys.
All right, Mom's calling, guys. Let's answer the phone. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications, which is the bell Please leave us a like, and if you guys want to leave a comment, go to our Instagram page. It's Loverboy_21_. Check out our gaming channel, StellarPrime Gaming, and leave us a comment. We're going to be doing some cool videos on the gaming channel, like different mic upgrades, different keyboards, different, just all kind of fun stuff for gaming. And all right, we're headed to the track. So once again, Durhamtown, here we come. Let's go.
Mom, you want
we gotta talk to Mom. Say hi, Mom. Love you. We're still alive.
Love you. Love you.
All right, let's do it.
Diamonds, I want the twins on. The off, they tryna line me.
I'm going to the track, and we don't gotta look back. Buckhead District is where it's at. Which exit do we gotta take back?
132. You know my face is blue.
All right, we're getting close. Durhamtown is right around the corner. There it is. We're back again.
Ooh, hopefully it's not too dusty. Guys.
Off-road resort. Looks like there's campers here.
It doesn't.
Please don't be too dusty. Please have the tracks somewhat groomed. You know what we need to do? We need to bring the dirt bikes over here and do this obstacle
Oh,
course.
it's dusty.
Oh, it is dusty, guys. Look at that.
Not that much. It's not bad.
It's not too bad. It looks like they have this prepped.
Yeah, that's really good.
No, it doesn't look too bad.
No, it's prepped.
Looks like, yeah, it looks like they
prepped
watered it a little bit.
Yeah.
Look, it's not too bad.
It's not bad at all. Yeah, it looks like
Drag strip over there. Here's the Pee Wee track. There's like no.
Oh, look at the jump. It looks way different.
Ooh, they have a nice lip on it. There's a couple people out there. Oh, somebody wrecked, I think.
Oh, there's quite a bit of people here. Well, it's Sunday, guys. Think about
Ooh,
it.
look at that big jump.
That's not a jump. That used to be like a freaking.
Look at this guy had to park over here.
This park.
I'll just park like this. Look at this. Just pull in like this. All right, guys, here we are back at Durhamtown. What's up? You gotta sign in.
It's bogging. His bike's bogging.
Oh no.
My bike bogs when I land on the gas.
Oh, sorry, man.
Please, I can still at the bottom.
All right, we're gonna go over there, sign in once again. We're back, guys. You got my wallet, Nathan? Or you gotta pay?
These are the things that I was talking about that I wanted.
Oh yeah, those are cool.
They're really nice.
I like that. Is it dusty out there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it okay?
Once again, it's dusty. Let's go pay.
Oh, Bomber? Dad, he said Bomber's really good.
Oh, good. Let's do it. We're back. We're back. Oh, that's a nice truck. Look at that truck. We need a nice big truck like that, right, Nate Dogg?
Yeah.
There's all this stuff they have for sale right now, guys, if you want to buy some stuff. Everything lined up. Four-wheelers. Oh, there's some TRXs.
It's only 30 minutes. I can't buy it.
Deals over here at their pro shop. Ooh, fly racing.
Look at this, Dad.
What? Oh, that's cool.
It's 30 or something.
What's up, man? Doing all right? We always run into this cool guy.
I saw someone filming. I'm like, I know who that is.
Yeah. Where are you riding?
I ride
Everywhere?
next to you, pretty much.
Is it dusty? There he goes, guys. Woo! 4-stroke. That would be like me. I tried to hit the big double on MX2 and I completely cased it and wiped out. So there's the scar right there.
It looked like his bone was popping out.
There it is. I landed on my side. I like cased it, bounced, landed on the side. I got lucky though. I kind of straightened it up, so it kind of slid out. And instead of flipping over, it kind of just slid out like that. But I landed right on my elbow. And something on my ankle kind of hurts, but I'm okay. It's just road rash. Get it, Zach. Park last week. It was so dusty.
You're hitting that struggle table. That's good. It's really good.
He's got to hit that gas. Dude, you got to hit that back brake. We got to go pay for this stuff. I think it's $25 per day, but you got to fill out a waiver. So you got to go sign over there on those computers right there.
Wait, you don't have
To like fill out a waiver, and then once you're in the system, you're good.
I thought you were already in the system.
Yeah, we are. That's what I'm saying. And you're in the system too. Snacks. Right. There's all the signs that they have up there. See, for your information. Look, they have Advils for after the day of riding. There's all the prices for your information. You excited? That's cool. Zach's here. There's their race dates for the 2019 and 20 season. We're just in the pro shop checking out all their helmets, boots and stuff. There's their prices for all these Thor. What is it? Thor mainly. Fly Racing.
Oh, look at that one, Dad.
I want to get him an Era helmet, guys. That's the. What do you guys think about that? There's an AR5.
It's carbon fiber on there.
No way.
Yeah,
is it light?
Yes, it's.
Ooh, that's nice.
So light it is.
Oh, that is light. That's AR5.
AR5.
They're $299.
$299.
Dude, that is a good helmet. It's Answer.
Yeah, Answer. That's who makes it.
That's who makes it? Okay. Look, all these guys are trail riding. They're mounting up and hitting the trails. They're ready to roll. Look at that trailer. That's nice. Has an air conditioner.
It's the same trailer as yours.
Yeah, I know. Like a drifter, I was born
guys,
to ride a dirt bike, and I like it
We've been to 4 different
so
dirt bike tracks.
much.
I can name all of them. Big Springs,
Yeah?
Highland Park, most people don't go to
Day parking right here, guys. Turn right here.
back after like a month.
Live action. Woohoo! Look at that jump.
Should I hit that?
What's up, Dallas?
What's up?
We're back.
Yup.
All right, Nathan's gonna unload all this stuff. Get ready. What are you gonna do first, Nate Dog?
Pee-wee.
Pee-wee track on the RM85?
Yeah, because
I'm gonna help him unload all this stuff. Nathan, did you bring the center stand?
Yeah, got
Nice. All right, Zach's gonna hit. That's MX2, right? Hey, what gear do you have it in on most of the jumps? Like third?
Fifth, fourth, and fifth.
Pinned out?
Pretty much.
Okay.
I got let off. Okay.
Nice. All right, there he goes, guys. Zach's going out of MX2. He's got to slow down for these guys to hit this jump. He's got to make sure they clear it. Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Woo! Come on, buddy, you got this, go! Woo! Nice. All right, guys, you're gonna take the RM85 out on the PA track real quick like old times. Let's see what he's got, guys. He already warmed the bike up. Let's go, Nate Dogg. Back in the saddle again on the RM85. There he goes. Nice. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we like hopscotched.
Boy.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Doing all right?
Yeah. How are you?
Pretty good.
Yeah, I seen him do that tabletop over there at Scrubbing Dirt.
Yeah,
He's
cool.
doing a lot better than.
Yeah, we went to Highland Park last week.
Ah, man, Highland Park, it's fun, but
Dusty.
it's super dusty, just like here.
I know. That's all he needed, see? You get the right momentum down and bam, you got it. If you slow down like that, it's like either you go real slow or you go real fast. But if you go like in the middle, you're gonna case it. And then when you case it, you're gonna bounce and there's a big downhill on the other side. And that's what happened to me. Here we go. Woo, nice. Anyways, this place is good to ride at because they offer first aid. If you hurt yourself, they have trucks and first aid people that go around to tend to you if you get hurt. Here he goes, let's see what he's got. Oh, triple time. Nice. Woo. That was Dallas, number 12. So, but I went over to the main store and they had first aid and they gave me some Band-Aids and stuff and Neosporin and all that. Sweet, Blake. Let's see what Blake's got. Nice. Sometimes you are just too scared to do something and you just aren't gonna do it. It's like a wall. If you guys have fear, it's gonna stand in the way of everything you really wanna do. Fear is like a killer of all dreams. No fear, guys. Did you turn the... Hey, did you turn the fuel on? All right, there he goes. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the KX450 warmed up. Nathan took the RM85 out on the Pee Wee track. He said that it just doesn't feel right because you can't gain any traction out there because it's so hard packed. He cleared pretty much most of the jumps. I think he's just not used to riding it. He took the YZ 125 out. Let's see what we can do out there, guys. Nathan came back. All right, I'm gonna meet him over at the rhythm track, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, we're over here at the rhythm track right here. Got the 450. Dallas is on the 250. Nathan's on the YZ 125. That's the rhythm track right there. There's some pretty decent sized doubles on that. Did you clear everything?
Yeah, I mean, I can't.
I almost wrecked.
I know, I was behind you.
Yeah.
Or I think I was in front of you and I looked around, all I see was...
Oh, man. Oh, I tried to hit it, but the thing is, you got to have the right speed. If not, you're going to case the living crap out of yourself.
Yeah, at the top of the jump, there's like tons of dust and it makes you slip.
But you got to have the right, as long as you have the right speed, you're good. I just haven't found the right speed. So right now, Nathan and Dallas are going to race on the beginner rhythm track, guys. All right, let's do it.
I think it's like to practice your double races. Like,
Yeah?
with people.
So you guys going to do a whole shot and everything? All right, I'll flag you guys down.
Come on.
Good race, guys. Dallas is gonna lead Nathan on the rhythm track. Nathan's gonna keep up with him, maintain the speed, and land all the jumps. Here we go, guys. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're back at the trailer, taking a little break. Kind of disappointed in myself. I went to the rhythm track. That rhythm track, there's a little rhythm track and a big rhythm track, and that big rhythm track has some pretty big doubles. And I went for it. I didn't have the GoPro on, but I went for it, and I like cased one really bad. But I'm okay. I didn't wreck, but it is super dusty. Nathan, how many doubles did you hit off the rhythm track?
Probably around 5.
5?
Yeah, 5.
And Dallas, he hit pretty much everything. I told Nathan to follow Dallas around the rhythm track. He tried to, but to get the speed, because you got to find the rhythm to hit those jumps. And he said it was so dusty.
It was really dusty.
So you couldn't see what?
On one of the jumps, Dallas said, "Don't hit this one," because he couldn't hit it.
Oh, this is that real big one?
It's the one that's really steep, just goes straight up and you'll wreck if you hit it all the way.
Yeah.
That jump.
Oh, yeah. That last jump is the best. You hit that thing full speed and it's like it goes right down into
I know,
a
but
hill.
your back tire flings over.
You can control that, just bring it back. Just turn your wheel.
Or I just press the gas. Love you, Dad.
Okay, we got a Mountain Dew right here. Let's see how much Nathan can drink in one drink.
It's cold.
Ready, set, go. Ice cold. Go, 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 go. Oh man, what was that?
It's cold. Hurts my throat.
Let me
And
see.
Fizz that's bothering
yeah,
you.
it's the fizz. That makes me...
Go, go.
Woo! I could have did it, but I just didn't want to drink it all because I wanted him to have some Mountain Dew left. That's the only one we have. All right, we got the energy now. Do the do. MX2 is through. Dude, this thing is like, when I saw you jumping the big one right there, to me, you weren't even going that fast. You just clear it, you know?
Yeah, I mean, you just gotta keep on it. Like as soon as when you get out of this turn,
Yeah.
you just gotta keep on the gas all the way up, and you'll clear it.
Are you in fourth?
I'm in third.
Third, top speed. Top speed in third or just like mid?
Like mid top.
Yeah, you just got to roll it though. Like you said, you got to maintain that momentum.
And then like this one right here, like you really don't have to be on the gas hardly at all. It
Yeah.
just looks big.
Yeah.
Like that lip over there, it throws you pretty good. So
Yeah.
you don't have to hit the gas that hard.
But if you don't nail it, then you're going to wreck bad. Well, actually on that one, it's kind of flat on the top.
Yeah, but you don't want to bounce because look how high up you are.
Yeah, and that's how that other jump was.
Yeah. If you bounce and you fall off,
Yeah.
you got a long ways to go down.
Yep.
Or a long ways to slide.
Exactly. That's what I
rather
did.
Over jump that than under jump that.
Exactly.
And same thing with that. Same thing with that uphill.
Yeah.
I would rather over jump it than under jump it because the landing is so long.
Yep. But I did clear a couple of them. So we're gonna go on the trails now to MX, what, 4 or 6 or whatever?
Four.
MX4.
It's on trail
We'll take some trail S,
F.
F?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna do this, guys. So we're gonna hit the trails for the finale of the video. And anyways, well, thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna seal it off with some trail riding, then we're gonna get back. They close at 5, right?
6.
They close at 6? Anyways, I think they close at 5. We're gonna hit the trails, turn on the GoPro, hit the trails,
Close at 6.
and then we are going to find an MX track out there on the trail system. All right, let's go hit them trails, guys. That way. You guys ready?
Yes, Dad, it closes at 6.
All right, they're gonna go fill up theirs. I gotta put some fuel on mine. Actually, I think mine's filled up.
Thank you.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, here we go.
right, guys, we made it back to the truck. Hit the trails, did some drag racing. I hit everything on MX4, but my arm was hurting every time I hit like a rut or anything. It hurt really bad. Anyways, I beat Nathan on drag racing. I beat you one time, I think.
Holy crap, look at your arm.
And then he beat me. Man, I almost wrecked so bad. I went sideways.
I turn around and I'll see you over there.
Yeah. Anyways, there's my arm, guys, from that wreck right there on that thing right there. That bad jump. I gotta conquer that one day. It's not that hard. I just gotta get the right speed. All right, thanks so much for watching. Dallas and Nathan, I think you're gonna go back out one more time or something, maybe. I already have my bike loaded up. Dallas's dad, Randy, he's ready to go home too. He's got his 2017 KX 250 loaded up. Who won on a drag race between you and him?
He won because I
Every time.
start off, I always slip.
All right, well, it was fun.
Which one do you think is faster?
Which one?
Yours is probably faster on acceleration. Mine is.
That thing's fast. But I ate you up. I got it. I ate you up on the top end.
Whoa.
There you go, buddy.
You know what it is? You're stepping on a downslope hill. I do it all the time, man.
Yeah.
That's what I did that
You gotta
time.
put your short legs on the
What it
high
is
side.
lack of coordination. Randy's so nice. Thanks so much for watching once again here at Durhamtown. It's a dusty day. Till next time, please comment, subscribe, ride fly till you die. No fear, guys. Conquer your fear. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
I tried. Hard. I was in my third gear that I bought and stopped.
Those jumps are just like, there's too much of that sand.
All right, guys. Talk to you all later. Thanks for riding, Dallas. Bye, Nate Dog. Bye, Randy.
Bye.
Till next time, we'll do it again.